support. Shut up. Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm sorry, I'm really hungry. Yeah, sure, Cold, you can do that. Mom. Okay. Okay. Someone is pissed off. Someone is literally pissed off. That was nice. Ooh. That was nice. Hi, Baka. Fuck yeah. Hi, Podcast. Oh, goodness me. Froggy's going all types of crazy rooms. So that's good. Well, at least it's very rarely holy crap. Stomach is really hungry at this point. I am starving. I have not gotten any food. I was, like I said earlier, I was woken up by the trash man, and I was like, you know what? It's 8:30. I'm not gonna sleep anymore. I want to get up and stream. Thank you so much, Penguin, for your 4 months. Thank you so much. Shut up. Thank you so much. Also, you just joined, and I promise I will of course make some like later streams as well.